Horses out there big, that is Dream. Best to begin, win lane, moving up on the odds. Now is Market Value, Tailwind. Then followed by Love Story and Owaki is the early trailer. We have Win Lane and Market Value fighting it out for the lead. 2 lanes watching in third is Big, that is Dream, Tailwind, Love Story and Owaki still racing in this. Win Lane, Market Value is on the outside. 2 lanes so in third still is Big, that is Dream, Love Story in fourth. Owaki now moving up to take Peep and Tailwind now racing in less. Market Value takes the lead. Win Lane is running by Drella. Then trying to get closer now in there is Big, that is Dream, Love Story in fourth. Owaki in Peep and Tailwind. Now we have Big, that is Dream now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. And in second, Market Value. Win Lane drives back in third. Love Story, Owaki and Peep and Tailwind. Big, that is Dream now strides away by about 6 lengths. Market Value in second. Win Lane third. Love Story and Owaki. Big, that is Dream second. Market Value, Win Lane, Love Story, and Owaki comes in last.
1634, unofficial.
Galing.